We are at Barnegat Lighthouse Park, I think it's called. And see the lighthouse behind me? And they have a little park area with picnic benches, and there's like a big jetty you can walk out on. There's always people fishing. So we're gonna go check it out and see what's going on. Sign for fishermen. The different kind of fish and limits and things like that. Goldenrod. There's a lot of little picnic tables down here. This one's in like a little nook all by itself. Guess that's for the bad people. There's a guy fishing now. Oh, he caught something. Can you see it? Here's a statue of the lighthouse keepers. I don't know if I can get the whole lighthouse in the shot behind me without running into something. Sign naming all the lighthouse keepers of the Barnegat Light. Gazebo, a little jetty, a lot of people fishing off of it. Lots of people fishing. These are new since the last time we were here. There's like steps and ramps. I think the blue is for a wedding. There's a bunch of chairs set up over there. There's a trail over there. I don't think it's a very long trail that leads, I think it leads back to the parking lot. It's a close-up of the lighthouse. Here's the creator of the Barnegat Lighthouse. There's where we just came from, down by the lighthouse. This is the walkway. Oh, what's left of it from what we've already walked. And then there's a jetty past that.
I'm just looking at your hat. It's cute.
Oh, thank you.
How was the wedding? Did you see the wedding?
No.
Wedding is a formal round.
And just in case you needed to know, the ocean is 0.7 miles that way. And this is the trail, one of the trails. This is the one off the beach. I don't know if there's another one off the beach. Nice little picnic area right off the beach. It's covered. Nice little place to sit and eat in the shade. And then they have a monument right here for United States Merchant Marines. The park office. I don't think it's open. Over here some restrooms. There's a visitor center. Right out over top of the office building. Another little picnic area. And then up here there's a trail. We're gonna walk this little trail. I think we've done this one before. If I remember right, it's like a little loop. So we'll see. There's some steps ahead. And we'll see what's up there. There's the steps. A little shady in spots, but you get the idea. There's steps. There's two directions. There's the steps going up. And then to the right, there's another path. We're gonna take the steps. This is a trail at the top. We have boards. And then it goes into a sandy path that goes up a little bit. But here's the view from the end of the path. There's the boardwalk thing that we were on earlier. And this is the end of it over there, and then there's a jetty. And then across the way there's another jetty. I don't know what area that is. These gray berries. I'm not sure what these are. I think it might be bayberry. The sign says goldenrod, but it's not goldenrod. Steps going down. I think this loops around. I'm not sure, but we're headed downward. This is a lot of ivy. Look at all that. It's just like covered with it. I think this is the end stretch of the trail. We're in the woods now, so I think we'll be coming out of the woods soon. I think this is the end. We have some trail, if I don't trip over these tree roots. And we got a lot of steps. Well, not a lot, but here's the steps. I think this is the final thing. And then I think we're back where we started. Went from the steps to this big piece of concrete. I don't know what it is. There's a sign. It doesn't really say anything about the concrete. Let's see if we can get this sign. And here's the lighthouse from this angle from the trail. Got lots of pretty fall colors going on here. Got lots of red, some pretty red leaves. They're different than the other blueberries that I saw. These are more blue. Here's the lighthouse at the end of the trail, and we are back at the building again.